We'll guide you through how to enable Gmail dark mode on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com, then log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner and click on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. A sidebar will pop up with several options. You need to click on See All Settings at the top of this sidebar to open the full settings menu. In the settings menu, navigate to the Themes tab, which is usually located near the end of the options at the top. When you click on Themes, a new window will pop up with various theme options. Scroll down until you see the dark theme. Click on it to select it. You'll notice your Gmail background changes immediately to a darker shade, making it easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. Once you've selected the dark theme, don't forget to click on Save in the bottom right corner of the window to apply the changes. This will ensure that the dark mode remains active each time you log into Gmail. If you ever want to switch back, you can follow these same steps and choose a different theme. Enabling dark mode can help reduce eye strain and save battery life on devices with OLED screens. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.